Hi, this is the fourth scenario in module 5. Download file from HTTP or HTTPS URL. So sometimes we are provided a web URL of the files and we have to write a package or a custom utility to download the files on regular basis every day or every hour. So we can use the C# script in SSIS to download a file from web URL. So let's see. I have already prepared this package and we have a URL in a variable. So if we browse this URL directly in the browser, it will download a file. You can see the file was downloaded. Actually, I have already downloaded, so that's why it is showing with 1. So in script task, I have provided this file web URL as a read only variables, and let's edit this script. It will take time. Pause the video, and it is here. We have the VSTA project open, and in main command we have couple of lines of codes that is used to download a file. We are using that variable file web URL and accessing that variable into the string type of variable in C# web URL, and then file name, we are extracting the file name from this web URL and prepare a location, a full file path on the disk with this file name. So this file will be downloaded into the data files from web, and we are using the web client class of system.net. So this is the inbuilt library available in .NET. So this is not a third party, actually this is inbuilt. So we are using this inbuilt library for downloading the file. And then we have a service point manager to enable some protocol security protocols, and then calling the download file method of this web client. And we are providing the address here and the file name where this file should be downloaded. And then I am printing a message using the dts.events.fire information, and file downloaded successfully. Location of the file is this variable. And then script task.success. In case of failure or any exception, I have tried and catch blocks there. So logging the error message also, and then returning the script result dot failure. So this is the code we can use to download a file from HTTP or HTTPS web URL. There may be any type of file, the GIF file, the CSV, TXT, JSON, any file. So we will be provided an URL of that file, and we have to use that and write the C# script in script task to download that file. So let's execute this package. So let's execute. Yes, the file has been downloaded. Let's see in progress tab. It has message, the file successfully downloaded. The location is this location. So this is the location. You can see this is the location. ETL data, my data files from web, and the file name. So this is how we can download a file from HTTP or HTTPS web URL.